Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to talk and install some WordPress plugin so they can help us in running a successful website. So I have created the list of essential WordPress plugin or the very useful plugin like Back WP app. So this is a plugin which will regularly take your backup and it will store your backup to Dropbox or on your email. A contact form 7 is used to create contact forms for your website. Google Example Sitemap for images, for videos, they are used to index your website images and videos in the Google database. Sitemap generator, Shortcode, Statpress. This plugin is used to capture the activity of your visitor and a spider. So W3 Total Cache plugin, WordPress Ping Optimizer, and WordPress SEO by Yoast. So there are so many plugins that you can install to your WordPress. So if you want to download any of these plugins, all you need to do is click the plugin name and it will ask you to help allow or block. Click allow and you will be redirected to the official download page of that plugin. Okay. Now there are two ways to install a WordPress plugin. The first one is you visit to WordPress plugin directory. You can visit to WordPress plugin library and download this plugin here. And the second thing is, let me log into admin panel. Okay, oh my god, there is an update here. Let me see what the update is. Okay, it says that this is a theme update. I don't want this theme update, so let me just uninstall the theme. Details, delete, okay. Details, delete, okay. Okay, make sure that you remain the two themes, cause in case if you want to change this theme, you can assign this theme. Okay, so let's go to we were talking about the WordPress plugins. Okay, so the first way to install a plugin is download this plugin from here. Start download, and the second way is to go to this plugin section here, and you can see that there are three subcategories like install plugins, add new, or editor. Let's go to install plugins and check out what are the plugins that are already installed. Okay, so by default you will get two plugins. One is Akasmith and the Hello Dolly. Right now I'm not interested in the Akasmith and Hello Dolly, so I'm going to delete these both plugins. Delete, apply. Okay, you both remove the plugins. Yes, delete the files. Okay, so now if I go to install plugins, you can see that there are no plugins right now. Let's go to add new plugin, and now you can search the name of the plugin and you will find let me install this contact form 7. Okay, paste it here, click search plugins, and now you can see that there are so many plugins related to our search contact form 7. The first one is the contact form 7, the second one is contact form maker, and the blah 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 blah. Now you can check the rating, the version, and if you want to check the details, you can click this details button here. I'm going to open it in a new tab. So okay, this is the description and the last update, the required WordPress version, the compatibility, and the download counts. Okay, you can also check the screenshot, the installation, like how to install the plugin, and the change logs. What are the changes has made in the the version of this plugin and the FAQ. Okay, so if you found this plugin helpful, all you need to do is you can see that there is an install now button. Click on it and it will ask you that, are you sure you want to install this plugin? Click OK. Yeah, I want to install this plugin, and WordPress do the rest of everything for you. Okay, now the install plugin contact form 7. The next thing is the same thing as we did in the theme: activate the plugin or return to the plugin installer. So let's activate the plugin. Okay, now you can see that the plugin is activated. Now after a plugin is activated, make sure that the plugin setting will appear in the setting. If it is not in settings, make sure that you check in tools, and if it is not in tools, make sure that there is some other section like for the contact form. Now you can see that there is a new contact tab here, but before it was not here. So let's go to contact forms, and to create a contact us page, all you need to do is copy this shortcode here, copy, and go to your pages, all pages, and if I visit to our website, yeah, right now there is about us and privacy policy, no contact us page. So all you need to do is click add new page, name it contact us, go to your text, paste the code, go to visual, click preview, and if you can see a form, it means that everything is perfect. Alright, now you can see that to contact us, the name is required, your email, your subject, your message, and a send button. But in case if you want to configure this contact form, I will tell you how to configure this contact us form. But for now, I'm just going to publish this page. Okay. So we have a contact us page. Now, in case if you want to change the field, or if you want to add more field, all you need to do is go to contact forms, and on the contact form one, click this edit here, okay. Now you can see that there are so many settings like generate text. Now a text field, email, URL, telephone number slider, date area, drop down menu, checkbox, radio button, acceptance, quiz, CAPTCHA, file upload, and submit button. Click any like acceptance, and you will see that something a box will appear to configure your settings like a ID and a class, and make this checkbox checked by default or something like this. And you can copy this thing here and create a new paragraph, paste it here, and now you can add something like this and click save. So this acceptance will add to your form, or if you don't want to edit the default form, you can click this add new and create a new form for you. Yeah, now it is asking to if you want to create the form in some other languages, you can choose the language, but I'm going to just make sure that the English is the default and worldwide language, so I'm going to add a new. Yeah, this is also the same thing. This is a submit send button, this is your text area, this is your subject, this is your email, and this is your name. And the thing is star denotes that this is a compulsory part of the of your contact form. So if you put a star before the first word of your any field, it means that it has to submit by the user. So it is it is the must fill part of the contact. And you can generate the tags like anything, a quiz, and you can put the quiz like 1+1 or anything what you would like to add, and just copy this shortcode here, and before the submit send button add a paragraph like this paragraph, pay quiz, and you can give a line break. Okay, this code here is for line break. Line break means that line break is for a space between the first and the second line. So in the HTML, this is a line break, and you can add your code here and then close the paragraph. Okay, so this is all for this video, and we learned that how to install a WordPress plugin. And if you go to plugins, right, you can see that there are one plugin installed, which is our contact form. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it. We will install more plugins in the upcoming videos. Okay, bye.